Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to change location and Snapchat maps. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to go to any web browser and then kindly type iAnyGo, this one, TenorShare. So you just have to click this one and you have to download this. So you just have to scroll down till you see this free download and wait as it is processing. Okay, so once done and once you install it, this is what it looks like. Okay, and all you have to do is to simply connect your phone to your computer, laptop, or device. And then once it's connected, all you have to do is to click this one and then click enter. It will not proceed unless you connect your device. So I have to get my phone and connect my phone to my computer and device. And here, this is an instruction in order for you to connect your phone to TenorShare. Okay, so you just have to tap this and follow the instruction. So once you follow this instruction, then your phone will be automatically connected to TenorShare. So after you follow the instruction here, all you have to do is to allow USB debugging so that it will connect directly to your device. And then once it is connected, I mean the iAnyGo is connected to your phone, then you can change your location and Snapchat. So you just have to open your iAnyGo application. Now, once everything is connected, you have installed your iAnyGo to your phone and it's connected to your computer or device. Now, what you're going to do here is to look at your specific location. Now go to iAnyGo and then see this search bar here. All you have to do is to type any location. For example, I want my location to appear as I am currently in Australia. So you just have to type Australia here and then click start to modify and wait as your location is about to change. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds or minutes. It depends on your internet connection. And there you can see that you have changed your location on Snapchat. And that's how to change location on Snapchat. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.